Very good evening, students. This is KANA Academy uh, live botany test. Uh, One second. KANA ASTRA live test 11, botany test 60. So, welcome to all students who are there. So, for any KANA Academy, we have a repeaters course available right now. Counseling is going on also. So, contact us on 6369507505. Students who really want to join can join. Yeah, let's go and attempt questions. All the best for the students and for okay. Epigaseous flowers are present in. So let's start. Let's start. So link. So for Zoom students, can you send the link? One second. So yeah, check it out. Link அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க ஒரு வாட்டி செக் பண்ணிட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க சரியா So all right, let's start. Question number 1 out of 25 MCQ. Yes. Yes, sir. So hello students, we have a minute technical issue or a grid மாதிரி wait திரும்பி zoology test start பண்ணுவாங்க wait for few seconds, it will be starting right now. Okay வா yes. Yeah, any doubts related to biology, let you know in the comment section. Okay வா so comment section ல போட்டு விடுங்க and please like, share and subscribe. Okay, zoology test இன்னும் few seconds ல start பண்ணிடலாம். We just had a technical glitch. Start பண்ணிடலாமா? Okay. So welcome to KANA ASTRA live test 61, zoology test 11. Question number totally we have 25 MCQs overall. Question number 1 ல இருந்து பார்த்துடலாம். So question number 1 out of 25 MCQ. What happened? So question number 1 out of 25 MCQ start பண்ணிடலாம். Let's play, come and join. So link for students on Zoom, link கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Do go and check it out. Okay வா? All right. All the best students. Super. So question number 1 out of 25 MCQ. Paila, the light band has and is called dash. A. Actin A band, actin I band, myosin M band, myosin A band. So choose the right option below and be fast and quick to get more points. Okay. The option is B, actin I band. Okay, well, light band is actin and it is called I band. Okay, well. All right. Let's go and see next question. Before we go to the next question, let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard session. Okay, fastest in the leaderboard session Patala. Maverick is fastest and Mathushri are in the top two list. Okay. Next question Paila. Second question out of 25 MCQ. Okay. Second place Paila ma. Okay, consider the following statement. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder affecting neuromuscular junction. Muscular dystrophy is a progressive degeneration of skeletal muscles, mostly due to genetic disorder. Tetany is a rapid spasms in muscles due to high Ca++ in body fluid. Which of the above statements are true? So option E is 1 and 2 only. Option B is 1 and 3 only. Option C is 2 and 3 only. Option D is 1, 2 and 3. So choose the right option below and make sure you choose the right option and be quick and faster to get more points. Okay, bah. All right. So this is a game. Let's see. Hmm. Okay. Okay, third question. Read the given statements. Statement one, each coxal bone in man is formed by the fusion of three bones, namely ilium, ischium, and pubis. Statement two, at the point of the fusion of above listed bones is a cavity called glenoid with which the thigh bone articulates. Select the correct option. Option E is statement 2 is correct. Option B is statement 1 and 1 is incorrect. Option C is both 1 and 2 are correct. Option D is statement 1 is correct while statement 2 is incorrect. So choose the right option and be fast and quick to get more points. Time is up. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Option D is correct. Let's see who's fastest in the leaderboard session. Okay. Dhanushya is fastest in the leaderboard. Okay. So, okay. All right. Okay, which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A is sarcomere are separated from each other by Crow's line. Option B is eye band appears dark under the light microscope. Option C is in isotonic contraction, tension remains of the muscle fibers. Option D is masseter muscles is the strongest muscle in human body. So choose the right option below and be fast and quick to get more points. Okay, students? Remember fast starting to get more points. All right. You guys have 5 seconds left for this question. Okay. Danusha is fastest in the leaderboard. Niti, Matusri, and Danusha are in the top three list. Okay, super. So, question number 5 out of 25 MCQ. Uh, Patalama. Okay, super. In iron light band of muscle fibers stands for A, isotropic, B, isolated, C is innervated, D, ionozonic. So choose the right option below. Okay, va? Okay, you guys have 5 seconds more. Isotropic. Okay. Option E is correct. Let's see who goes fastest in the leaderboard session. Pepata Lama. Okay. Niti, Dhanushya, Mati are in the top three list. Super. Question number 6 out of 25 MCQ. Okay. Number of incorrectly matched pairs is R. Option 1, the one is Z line and attachment point of actin molecules. 2 is M line attachment point of myosin molecules. 3 is a band where only actin molecules are bound. 4, I band, a band where only myosin molecules are found. Option E is 1, option B is 2, option C is 3, option D is 4. So choose the right option below and be fast and quick to get more points. Okay, va? Okay, Danusha in the top two list, Danusha, Niti, and Matusri. And Danusha is fastest in the leaderboard session. Super. Good, good, good. So, question number 7 out of 25 MCQ. Okay, which of the following statements about. Okay. Another question. So, which of the following statement about human vertebral column is false? Vertebral column consists of 26 vertebrae. It is ventrally placed. It extends from the base of skull and constitutes the main frame of a trunk. Neural canal in the vertebrae in the passage of spinal cord. A, B, C, D is the option. So choose the right option below. எது இந்த நாலுத்துல வந்துட்டு false statement அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க ஓகேவா so choose the right option. Okay, so Pingu, Dhanushya, I guess அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் அட்டன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, Dhanushya is top fastest and Niti and Matusya are in the top 3 list. Super. Okay, super. Let's go and attempt next question. சரியா? So question number 8 out of 25 will secure. Okay. Mitochondria, ATP, sarcoplasmic reticulum is dash. Ca2 plus, Mg2 plus, fats and proteins. So choose the right option. Okay. So be fast and quick. You guys have just 15 seconds left. Try to attempt as soon as possible. Okay, va. So immediately click panna, you will get more points. Okay, அதுவும் correct answer பண்ணா சரியா? So think and answer. Okay, Ca2 plus. Super. Good, 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 good. Okay, Tanusha, Niti, and Matri are in the top list. Okay, next question போயிடலாமா? So question number 9 out of 25 MCQ. Okay, according to the sliding filament theory, actin and myosin filaments slide over each other to increase the length of the sarcomere. B is length of A band does not change. I band increase in length. Actin filaments slides away from A band, resulting in shortening of sarcomere. In A is A, B, and C, D. So choose the according to this sliding filament theory. So choose the right option. Okay. Okay, I guess Nida is faster than leaderboard, huh? Yeah, Nida is fastest, and Danusha, Nita, and Matushi are in the top 3 list. Super, good. And Nida is in the top 4 list. Question number 10 out of 25 MCQ. Patalama. Okay, which of the following is not an example of flagellar movement? Okay, va? Flagellar movement. Option A is swimming of spermatozoa. Option B is maintenance of water current in the canal system of sponges. Option C is movement of ovum in fallopian tube. Option D is locomotion in euglena. So choose the right option. It is a flagellar movement ke example கேக்குறாங்க. Okay, va? Flagellar movement. Question ஒழுங்கா படிங்க சரியா? Okay, be fast and quick to get more points. Okay, va? எத்தனை ஓகேவா? ஓகே. ஓகே. The movement of ovum. ஓகே, அதுதான். Alright, சரி. So Dhanusha, Niti and Matusri are in the top 3 list. Whereas who is fastest in leaderboard? Na Dhanusha. Super. Good, good, good. Nice attempt. Next question போயிடலாமா? Question number 11 out of 25 MCQ. Okay. The M line is located. Option E is at the center of I band. Option B is at the center of head zone. Option C is at at the ends of myosin filaments. Option D is at the ends of actin filament. சரியா? Okay. At the center of what? H zone. Seriya. All right. Option B is right. Let's see who is fastest in the leaderboard session. Question number 12 out of 25 MCQ. Okay. Poilama. Yeah, 13. Sorry. Uh, how many G actins are there in a thin filament? The question. Okay. How many G actins are there in a thin filament? The options are A, two filament of many G actins. Option B is one filament of hundreds of G actin. Option C is two filaments of two two hundreds of G actin, two filaments of two G actin. So choose the right option. Okay, va? Hmm. Okay. So the answer is two filament of two hundreds of G actin. Let's see who is faster in the leaderboard position. Dhanushya, Matusri, and Niti are in the top three list. So Nida is fastest in leaderboard. Super, super. Let's go and add up next question. Okay, question number 14 out of 25 MCQ. So the role of calcium in muscle contraction is to break the cross bridges as a cofactor in the hydrolysis of ATP, to find the troponin changing its shape so that the actin filament is exposed, to transmit the action potential across the neuromuscular junction, to spread the action potential through the tubules. So choose the right option below. Okay, the option B is right. To bind with the troponin, changing its shape so that the actin filament is exposed. Seriya? Okay, next question. Question number 15 out of 25 MCQ. Let's go and see, check it out. Which of the following is not a feature of red muscle fibers? They have a plenty of mitochondria. They have a high content. The options are they have a plenty of mitochondria. They have a high content of myoglobin. They have a high amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum. They are called aerobic muscles. So choose right option. So 5 seconds more. Okay. Danusha, Mathusree, and Nida are in the top three list. Let's see who's faster than the leaderboard. Nida is faster than the leaderboard. Super. Next question by Lama. Question number 16 out of 25 MCQ. Patu Lama. Okay. Question number 16, பொறுத்த வரைக்கும், each pelvic girdle is made up of dash bones. Each dash bone is formed by the fusion of three bones, ilium, and dash and dash part of the both and dash bones fuse anteriorly at dash, made up of dash cartilage. So select the correct option. Option B is pubis, D pubis symphysis, B is A coxal, E elastic. Option C is A coxal, B ischium, and E fibrous. And option D is C pubis and E elastic. So choose the right option. So choose the right option. Okay, என்னாச்சு? Okay, question number 17 or 25 MCQ. So match the disorders in the column 1 with their descriptions in column 2. Okay, va? So column 1 la myasthenia gravis A la irukku, whereas in column 2 la genetic disorder causing muscle degeneration, whereas in B muscular dystrophy, and whereas Q autoimmune disorder weakening muscles. Option C is tetany, and option D is involuntary muscle contractions. Option D is osteoporosis, and option S is bone loss leading to fragility. Okay, va? So choose the right option. So where you see A is AS, B, R, and CP, DQ, and B, AP, BQ, CS, and DR. Option C is AQ, BP, C, R, and DS. Option D is AQ, BS, and CP, and DR. So choose the right option. Okay, வா என்னாச்சு? There is a technical glitch, I guess so. Please check it out. Okay. So Mathisri is fastest in the leaderboard. Super. And Danusha, Mathisri, and Nidar in the top three list. Let's go and attempt 18th question out of 25 MCQ. போயிடலாமா? Okay. During muscular contraction, which of the following event do not occur? Head zone decreases in the length, disappears on the full relaxation. Option B is A band remains unchanged. C is I band gets reduced in the length due to decrease in the length of actin filaments. D is myosin hydrolyzes ATP releasing ADP and P1. E is Z lines moves away from each other. So A, B, C, D. So choose the right option below. Check it out and be fast and quick to get more points also. Okay, va? Okay, Dhanushya, Matushi, and Nida in the top three list, and Nida is fast in the leaderboard session. Congrats. Let's go and attempt next question. So, question number 19 out of 25 MCQ. So, Patalama, the actin and myosin in muscle fiber are arranged parallel to each other and perpendicular to the longitudinal axis of myofibrils. B is perpendicular to each other and parallel to the longitudinal axis of myofibrils. Option C is parallel to each other and parallel to the longitudinal axis of myofibrils. D is perpendicular to each other on perpendicular to the longitudinal axis of myofibrils. Okay. A, B, C, D. So choose the right option. A for A, B, and C, D. கொஞ்சம் டங் ட்விஸ்டர் மாதிரி இருக்கு கொஸ்டின். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்பாங்க நீட்ல ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ அதனால இந்த மாதிரி டஃப்பான கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கறது. ஏன்னா நீட்ல இந்த மாதிரி கேட்டு டைம் எப்படி எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணாதான் ஸ்கோர் கொடியன்றதுக்காக இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுவாங்க. ஒரு ஈஸியாக கொஸ்டினாக இருந்தாலும் இப்படி திருப்பி கேட்பாங்க. ஆல்ரைட், ஸோ ப்ராக்டிஸ் தோஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் which looks hard but it is not actually hard. Understood? So Matrix is fastest and Dhanusha, Nida and Matushi in the top tier list. Super. Next question Pailama. Question number 20, 20, 20, 20. Hmm. Okay. Um, Identify the unpaid bone. அப்படின்னு கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க சரியா? A is frontal bone, B is coxal bone, C is maxilla, and D is all of these. So choose the right option சரியா? Okay, frontal bone is the right answer. Okay, let's go and see who is fast in the leaderboard session. Okay, okay, Mathushri is fastest, and Dhanushya, Nida, and Mathushri are in the top 3 list. Super. Question number 21 out of 25 MCQ. Lama. Okay, the sheet or broadband of fibrous connective tissue that is deep to the skin and surrounds entire muscle and other organs of the body are option E is epimysium, option B is fascicle, so fascicle, option C is endomysium, option D is fascia. So choose the right option, and you have 10 seconds more to attempt this question and be fast and quick to get more points. Syria. Yeah, for the students who really want to repeat, we have counseling going on in KANA Academy. So try to choose it. And contacts on 6069507505. Okay, wow. So the link in the description below. And Dhanusha, Nida, and Matusri are in the top 3 list. And Nida is fastest in the leaderboard session. Super. Let's go and see next question, Syria. Question number 22 out of 25 MCQ. Okay. So the question is, consider the two statements. Statement one is each G globular actin is a polymer of monomeric F actins. Statement two is the globular head is an active ATPase enzyme and has binding sites for ATP and active sites for actin. So option E is statement one is correct and statement two is correct. Option B is statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option C is statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Option D is statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is also incorrect. So choose the right option. You guys have very few seconds left. Syria. Uh, Question number 23 out of 25 MCQ. போயிடலாமா? Okay. Choose the incorrect match with respect to the total number of following bones present in humans. Option E is metacarpals, 10 in number. Option B is floating ribs, 2 in number. Option C is patella, 2 in patella, 2 in number. Option D is parietal bones, 2 in number. So choose the right option. சரியா? Yeah. You guys have 10 seconds left. Okay. ஃப்ளோட்டிங் ரிப்ஸ் இஸ் டூ இன் நம்பர் சரியா? எப்பவுமே கடைசியாக ஃப்ளோட்டிங் ரிப்ஸ் வந்து ரெண்டு தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? அது அட்டாச்சாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அதை ஃப்ளோட்டிங் ரிப்ஸ் ஸ்டெர்னமோட அட்டாச் ஆகலன்னா அது ஃப்ளோட்டிங் ரிப்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 24 out of 25 MCQ பார்த்துலாமா? ஸோ ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட். Okay, read the following statements. A. Neural signal reaching the neuromuscular junction release adrenaline. Option B is many monomeric proteins called myromycin constitute one thin filament. Option C is a complex protein and troponin is distributed at irregular intervals on the tropomyosin. Option D is during a shortening of muscles, the eye band get reduced. And how many of the above statements are true? So option is 4, 1, 3 and 2. Okay, va? நிறைய டைம் இருக்கு. So the options are 4, 1, 3 and 2. Choose the right option. சரியா? Many monomeric proteins called myromycin consist of one thin filament. A complex protein troponin is distributed at the irregular intervals of tropomyosin. During shortening of muscles, the eye band get reduced. And how many of the above statements are true? அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சரியா? So choose the right option. எத்தனை கரெக்ட் நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க? So time is up. பார்த்துடலாம். 3. என்னது அந்த 3? Okay. சரி. Okay, Dhanusha, Nida, and Matoshi are in the top 3 list, and Matoshi is fastest in the leaderboard session. Super. Let's go and see next question and final question. 25 out of 25 MCQ. Seriya. The question is the pelvic girdle has dash bones. Pelvic girdle 2, 3, 4, and 6. Seriya. So I'll choose பண்ணுங்க. So this is the last and final questions for students who are repeating and self-preparation yalla pandinglo. So we have admissions going on through for 2026 batch Neet. So 6369507 and link in the description below to get more counseling updates and all those stuff. So yeah. So the pelvic girdle has dash bones. 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 are. Time is up. The answer is 4. Seriya. மறக்காதீங்க. So that's it for today, guys. So make sure you guys attempt this live Mentico session. This is happening every single day at 6 to 7 p.m. Okay, but do join. Yeah, thank you for today. Good evening. Let's see who got the highest score today. Matrix is fastest and Danusha is highest scorers. Super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 points. Okay. 12,348. Super. So இந்த மாதிரி daily practice பண்ணுங்க. All right. Have a constant every day. Bye. Good night. Bye. 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 Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear. Bye.